This is going to be a video how to format your SSD to FAT32 for Chronos cameras. This is a long-awaited video, and let me just start by saying that this is a free way to do this, but it will not work for all people. And let me just start out with the essentials you need. You need two things. You need to download the Seagate DiscWizard, and you need a Seagate hard drive. I should also mention too that at the moment, I don't know a way to do this on Mac. This is a Windows only thing. First, if you have a Seagate hard drive, a Seagate SSD, a Seagate M.2, you're good, you're golden. But for those who don't have a branded Seagate internal drive, if you have like an external Seagate SSD, or if you have the fat small external hard drives that are branded by Seagate, you're good to go. That's why I say some people will be able to do this. If you have a Seagate drive in any form, external or internal, you're great. But if you don't, then you likely have Western Digital and you can't do this method. I will say though, the easy wraparound solution, as the program we'll be using is Seagate DiscWizard, is free. All you need is a Seagate drive essentially to have a license for it. And I'm actually pretty sure you can just go on eBay and buy like an old hard drive that may or may not even work and plug it in, and that'll technically give you the license. So honestly, I don't even think it has to work. Right there, the old laptop is actually just an old hard drive that was, well, built in my laptop. And sometimes it turns on, sometimes it doesn't. But when it does turn on, I can actually use it and it'll verify the license. So with that being out of the way, let's actually get the program. So literally just go on Google, type in Seagate DiscWizard. It'll literally be the first thing that pops up. Click it and download the version. And the reason why I say this is the safest is Seagate's kind of a trusted brand, where like there's other things I know like Ease US and Mini ToolWizard. Those are very sketchy and you have to pay. This is the best free version because again, most people seem to have a Seagate drive in some capacity. So then we will open it and it'll ask, hit yes. It'll verify the license. Again, if you don't have one plugged in, the add new drive will be locked like this, but to get around it, simply just plug in your external drive. So right now I have a Samsung EVO that I want to format for Chronos. So this is brand new. And obviously for this, you know, you'll need your unformatted SSD and a USB cable or something to connect it to the computer. You could open up your computer as well and use SATA to do it, but it's just easier to get a USB dongle adapter. Is it called a dongle adapter? So we're gonna plug it in. I'm just gonna let it kind of sit there. Okay, so I don't have it formatted, so we're gonna go to disk management. There it is, it already popped up. I don't think it matters what option you pick, but I just go with master boot record. And then I'll do that. And tell me it's unallocated. Hit new simple volume. Give it all the data, even though truthfully it doesn't matter. Sure, I'll make it F. I don't care. So normally when you would do this, you would want to obviously choose FAT32, which is needed for Chronos cameras. exFAT does not work. Truthfully, it doesn't matter which one you format it to, as the Seagate Wizard will just make it FAT32. So hit next, quick format, default, formatting, fun, new volume, there we go. All right. So that's out of the way. And right now we have our new volume, which is our Samsung. It's NTFS. So if we go to add new disk, that might be a part where you click on it, it will ask for your license. Again, you can do it before or after, I don't think it matters. So there's our 870 EVO, 250 gigs, it's 250? I thought it was like 256, whatever. Hit next. Okay, it'll let you know that you're gonna destroy whatever's on the drive and erase it. MBR layout, you do want to choose MBR layout. Double click your drive. You know, you want all the storage, obviously. And this is where you would change it. So file system, you want FAT32. I just keep it as primary. I hit accept, I hit next. It'll tell me, hey, you're pretty much gonna make this and you're gonna make it FAT32. You're weird, do you wanna do that? You hit proceed. It'll do this. Depending on the speed of your SSD and your adapter, or how you have it plugged in, it might take a little bit longer, but usually it doesn't. It takes less than 2 minutes usually. There we go. That took less than a minute. I've had some older drives take longer. That's why I'm saying that. The disk has been added successfully. Let's double check. Here it is. It's still 232. You'll never get that 250, unfortunately. And here we go. It's FAT32. And it's now actually ready to go. You plug it in the Chronos with your eSATA cable and you're good to go. If I do find another program or something to where you don't need a Seagate drive or a specific drive, you can just plug in a drive and go, and it's free and it's not sketchy, I will let you know. But that's how I do it. I've been asked the question multiple times. These are my steps in the process I go through when I want to format a new SSD for the Chronos cameras. Hopefully you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video when we shoot some stuff in slow-mo.